Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on your Honda HR-V. First, let's prepare for the job. You'll need a few key items: a wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Safety is paramount, so make sure your HR-V is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands. Always wear gloves and eye protection to keep yourself safe. Now let's get rid of that old oil. First, find the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting the old, dark oil drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the area, install a new crush washer, and tighten the drain plug to 30 foot-pounds. With the old oil drained, it's time for the filter. Locate the old oil filter, which is typically a canister-shaped component. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, followed by an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Using a funnel, pour about 4 2/10 quarts of new 0W20 full synthetic engine oil into the filler cap. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with your dipstick. Start the engine briefly to circulate the oil, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks. Don't forget to reset your HR-V's oil life monitoring system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.